I'm Philippa Jenkins, the Publishing Director, Independent Media. Users are increasingly becoming accustomed to how they are interacting with AI interfaces anywhere online. After we'd rolled out DeeperDive to 100%, we started to see the metrics in terms of engagement really start to interest and excite us. We started to see that, crucially, users were becoming quickly more engaged because they were staying within the DeeperDive unit. They are now staying on the content for 2.5 times longer from before we had DeeperDive. That just shows the power of being able to capture that audience. DeeperDive stands out because for users, it's familiar interaction that they would be currently having if they're using any other AI experience. As we've seen, 13% reduction of users who are now no longer bouncing off article pages. We can create that sustainability for us as publishers by ensuring we are monetizing effectively and giving the best user experience at the same time. DeeperDive matters for publishers because it offers a product to keep our evolution continuing in the AI space in terms of how we use AI products, but also how we are meeting user expectation.